Hello student, today we will see program that implement Kruskal's algorithm to generate minimum cost spanning tree. So here you can see a spanning tree. So using Kruskal algorithm, how you can find out the minimum cost, you can see here. So first you have to find out minimum cost from all the edges. So there are 4 vertices, or you can say nodes. And how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 edges are there. So you have to choose only 3 edges. If there are 4 vertices, you have to choose 3 edges. So first minimum cost is which one? This 2 to 3. So 2 to 3 cost is how much? 4 here. Okay. Next one is what? Minimum cost is 0 to 3. So 0 to 3 1 minimum cost is how much? 5 here. Next minimum cost is what? 0 to 2. If you join this, it will form a cycle. Okay. So we don't want cycle here. Okay. So you have to leave this one. And next minimum cost is 10 here. You can take this one. Then 0 to 1, 10. Okay. Then total minimum cost is 9. So in program, what you have to find out? First, how many numbers of nodes or vertices you have to read. Then matrix of what? Minimum cost. Okay, matrix of spanning tree cost you have to read. After that, what you have to check? You have to check whether it is form cycle or not. Okay, and then you have to find out the union set. Union set means 2 to 3, 3 to 0, and 0 to 1. This type you have to find out the parents of the given node. So here first you have to take hash include stdio.h. Then you have to take 2 global variable here, max and inf. Max you are taking 10 and define inf. Inf means infinity number. You are taking 999 or any number you can take. Any number of 9 you can take here. Okay. Then int parent max. Okay. So 3 variables are to one parent is a array. Okay. So to find out parents of each node, we are taking parent matrices. Okay. After that, so this function int find is a function that we are using to check whether the tree is form a cycle or not. Okay. If it is a forming cycle, then it will tell us. So how it will work, we will see after that statement. Whenever that function will calling, that time we will see how it work. Okay. So what we are doing here, find int v, and while parent v is not equal to 0, v equal to parent v, and return v we have to take here. So this union set function we are using to set the parent of a particular node. Okay. Suppose, see here, 2 and 3 are there. Okay. 2 is what? U, and 3 is what? V value. So parent of 3 is u here. So this one parent is what? This node. So to form this, we are using this union set function. Now we will see main function. Here what we need? Integer type. So how many vertices or number of nodes that we have to read. Then cost of matrix you have to read. Cost in form of matrix you have to read. So you can take max. Already we define max value is 10 here. Okay. So 10 by 10 matrix you can read here. Next, for loop we are taking I and j variable. And next, edges, how many edges we form, that we are taking here. And minimum cost, we have to calculate minimum cost. So initially it was what? 0. So edges also 0 and minimum cost also 0 initially, because we didn't join any edges and we didn't calculate any cost here. Okay, from starting 0 we have to start here. Next you have to read enter number of vertices you have to read, that is n variable you have to read here. Then matrix you have to read. For matrix what you have to do? You have to use 2 for loop here. So for I equal to 0 to I is less than what? Max. Same for j equal to 0 to j is less than max, and j plus plus. Here you have to read cost matrix, that is cost of I and j. So after reading you have to check whether cost of that what age is 0 or no. Okay, if cost of that age is 0, then that is not existed. and if you are finding the minimum cost, then 0 will be minimum cost only. So in place of 0 we have to put any maximum number here, so that we have to check if cost of I and j equal to 0. If it is a 0, then cost of ij, and putting what? INF. INF value is what here? 999. So you complete your for loop. So whenever you are reading the cost matrix one value, that we are checking whether it is 0 or not. If it is a 0, we are putting that is a INF here. So see here, enter number of vertices. Suppose number of vertices are 4. Okay, means nodes. And enter cost matrix. You want to enter the cost matrix. So 0, 10, 6, 5, 10, 0, 0, 15, 6, 0, 0, 4, 5, 15, 4 and 0. So this is what your cost matrix. Okay. So how you have to find out cost matrix? 0, 1, 2, 3. From what? 0 vertices, first, second, third vertices. And here also 0, 1, 2, 3. So from 0 to 0. Okay. You can see here. One vertices you will take 2, 3 and 4. How many vertices are there? 4 vertices are there. 0, 1, 2 and 3. So 0 to 0, 0. So there is a no edge 0 to 0. So if it is a 0 value, what you have to put? 999. In place of 0, you have to put 999. Okay. Because if you have put 0 only, the minimum value should be what? 0 in your what matrix. So we have to find out minimum cost first. Okay. So wherever 0 is there, you have to put what? 999. Okay. So here so. Yeah. Everywhere you have to find out. See here. If cost of ij double equal to 0, then cost of ij equal to INF. So INF value is what? 999. So wherever 0 is there, we have to put 999. Next here, 0 to 1, how many cost is there? 0 to 1, 10. Next 0 to 2, 6. 0 to 3, 5. Next 1 to 10, sorry, 1 to 0, 10 already there, 1 to 1 is not there, 1 to 2 is also no age, 1 to 3, 15. Same 2 to 0, this 6, 2 to 1 no age, 2 to 2 no age, 2 to 3, 4. So 2 to 3 is 4 here. Next 3 to 0, 3 to 0, 5, 3 to 1, 15 and 3 to 2, 4. Yes, this way you can find out the nodes and age. So after that you have to find out edges in minimum spanning tree. So which edges you have to select, you have to print here. So for that you are using while loop here. So while edges is less than n minus 1. So n value is suppose 4 here. 4 minus 1 is 3. So till 3 edges. So if there are 4 nodes, we have to choose only 3 edges. Okay. So till 3 edges you are selecting, you have to continue this while loop. Okay. So in that we are taking a minimum variable to find out minimum cost, and then u and v. U and v we have to find out index of that matrix. Okay. Next, for I equal to 0, I is less than n and I plus n. Same for loop you have to use, whichever you use to read the matrix. Okay. So after that, what you have to check here, if cost of that matrix element is less than minimum. So first minimum should be what? INF. INF means what? Value is here 999. Yes. Okay. So the cost of I and j is if less than 999, then what you should have to do, that value you have to put into the minimum value, and then u equal to that index and v equal to that j index you have to put. Okay. So suppose, see here how we are checking. So which one cost is less here? Using for loop you find out the minimum cost. So minimum cost is what here? 4. So u is 2 here and v is 3 will become. Okay. So 2 and here 3. So this element we are selecting. Is getting it? So minimum cost in your matrix is what? 4 here. So you have to take this value and put into the mean variable, and index of that is what, 2 and 3. So 2 will be stored in U and 3 will be stored in what, V. So after finding the minimum cost value, we have to call the find function. Find means we have to find out whether that age will be what, form a cycle or not. Okay. So for that we are calling what, find U and find V. U will be I index and V will be what, J index here. Okay. So whatever you're finding, that we are storing into the PV and PU variable. Okay. So how it works, you can see here. So find U. So first U will be, you can see here. So this number we are choosing. So I should be here what, I is 2 and J is what, 3. So I value we are storing in where, U, and J value we are storing in V here. Just getting it. So find U. Find U, you are passing what, U. U means which value, 2 you are passing, and after you find V means you are passing 3 value. Okay. So you can see the function here, find. First U value is what, 2 you are passing here. Okay. So while parent of V, so first value is 2 here. Parent of 2 is not equal to 0. So parent of 2 is here 0 only. Okay. So you can see here there is a no parent of 2. Okay, we are not attaching anyone. So we are selecting only this line. No one previously age is selected. Okay, so no parent of 2. So parent of 2 is 0. So we are skipping this statement and returning V. So what we are returning here? Again, V is what, 2. So we are returning 2 here. Next find V. V value is what, 3. So we are passing 3. So check here 3 and 3 here. So parent of 3 is 0 only. So if it is not equal to 0, then we have use this statement. Okay, otherwise we have to return 3 only. So you can see here this value is 3. So PU is what, 2 and PV is 3. Now we are checking whether it is form a cycle or not. PU is what, 2 and 3. 2 is not equal to 3. So we are printing what, percentage D. So H is bracket in percentage D, U value is what, 2 and V value is 3. So H is 2 to 3. Minimum cost is how much, 4. So equal to 4. So 2 to 3 cost is 4 we have to print. Then minimum cost plus equal to min. First time minimum cost is 0. Right here. 0 plus 4 you have to do. So 0 plus 4, 4 will come. Next union set PU, PV. So this you have to do. Union set means you have to set the parents of other node. Then age is equal to plus plus. So first age is how much? 0 plus 1. So see here union set what you are doing. You are passing U value and V value. So U value is how much? 2 and 3. So parent of 2. Parent of 2 is what? V value is what? 3. Yeah? Parent of 3 is 2. So we will take one parent array 0, 1, 2, 3. So parent of 3 is what? 2 here. So this one is a 0 node 1, 2, 3 vertices. So parent of 3 is what? 2 we are putting. So after that what we are doing, we are removing the value from the what matrix here. Okay, so for whichever minimum value you have to remove and put INF. Okay, so see here. So you have to remove this minimum value and put 999 there. Yes. So you can find out next minimum value. So if you keep this one 4, so next time also minimum value will come what? 4 only. So you have to remove that one and next minimum value you have to find out. So using this we are finding the next minimum value. So next minimum value is what? 5. Okay. So U value is 0. I index is 0 and J is what here? These one are J values and these are all I values. So I value we are putting into U and J value we are putting into the V value variable. Okay. So you can see here U value is what? 0 and V value is what? 3. Okay. We are passing. We are finding that whether the cycle is formed or not. So for that we are taking checking the find function here. So first we will calling this function passing the u value. So u value is 0 here. So v will become here 0. So while parent of v, parent of 0. So see here parent of 0, all are 0 0 only. 0 only. Okay. So we can't execute this statement, directly returning v here. Okay. So v is what? 0 only. So v will become here. u will be 0. Then find v3. Find v, we are passing v value is what? 3. So we are passing 3 here. So whenever we are passing, we will check a while parent of 3. So parent of 3 is not equal to 0. So check here whether parent of 3 is 0 or not. So parent of 3 is what? 2 here. Okay, not 0. So we have to execute this one. So v equal to parent of v. So v value should be what? Now parent of v is what? 2. 2. Next again you have to continue the loop. So parent of, now we have to check v value is what now? 2. Parent of 2 is what? Not equal to 0. Okay. So parent of, this is also, see here, parent of 2 is what? Parent of 2 is 0 now. So we can't execute this statement, directly we are returning what? 2 here. Okay, we are returning what? 2 here. So this one 2. PU is 0 and PV will become 2. 0 and 2. These are different values. So we are again printing the edges here. Edges of 0 to 3 equal to what? 5. So again we are adding minimum cost, that is 5, and edges plus 1. Okay. So total 2 edges and here 4 plus 5, 9 will become. Now next what we have to? We have to replace that minimum cost. 5 will become now what? INF. So this you have to remove and INF value is what? 999 here. Okay, next what? Next minimum value is what here? 6 here. 6 one. So this one is over. This one is 2 edges we selected. Next is what? 6. But if you select this, this will form the cycle here. So how we have to check? See here 6. Where it is? This one. So I should be what? 0 and j is 2 here. Okay, this one I value, this one j value. So in place of cost of 0 2, this will be stored. Okay, so u value is now what? 0 and this is v value is what? 2. Okay, so we are finding u value here 0. So parent of 0 is what? So here we have to set what? Union set pu and pv. So 0 and 2 are passing. So parent of 0. Parent of 0 is what? 2. Okay, because here 0 and 2. We have to pass pu and pv here. So union set, we have to set parent of v equal to u. Okay, so parent of 2 equal to 0 will be. Oh, sorry, parent of 2 is 0 here. So now we will see next value is what? 6. So 6 index is in 0 and 2. So 0 and 2 are passing here. U is 0 and this one is 2. Okay. So whenever we are calling function, we will find out. So you can see here, find of v is 0. So while parent of 0 is not equal to 0. So parent of 0 is what? 0. Sorry, not 0 here. That is 2. So you can see parent of 0 is 2 here. So we are executing this one. So v equal to what? Parent of g. So v will become 2 here. So what is the parent of 2? Parent of 2 is not equal to 0. So it is a 0. Parent of u is 0. So we are what? Returning 2. Means getting it. Parent of v means parent of 2 is 0. That's why we are returning 2. So pu is what? 2. Next pv equal to find v. Here 2 we are sending value. So find here v value is 2. So while parent of 2 is not equal to 0. So always parent of 2 is 0 only here. So we are returning v value only. So that 2 only returning. So pv also become 2 here. Okay. pv also become 2. p0 is 2 and pv is also 2 here. So you have to check 2 is not equal to 2. This condition will become true. So we can't execute further statement here. Okay. So we can skip that one. And this one we will change, that is cost of UV we are changing to INF. So here next is this one. This one or this one we have to changing in INF. INF means 999. This one also become 99. So see here we are how we are changing cost of UV equal to cost of VU. Both value are changing to INF. So UV and VU. This one 6 and this one VU. Okay, both value you have to change here. Next, after that, what you have to, again you have to see the another minimum cost value. So this one is a 10 is a minimum cost value. So where is 10? 1, U is 1 and V is 0 here. Here 1 you have to pass. 1 and 0.